Is gold actually a good investment? Now, with almost all asset classes reaching near all-time highs at the moment, you may have overlooked gold. Or this may be the one thing that you're keeping your eye closest to as a hedge against inflation. Well, with around a 47% increase in price in the last 12 months, it's definitely one to speak about. So let's take a look if gold is a solid investment. Firstly, let's understand why people would invest in gold in the first place. The first is as a great hedge against uncertainty. It can often hold its value or even increase when the markets are volatile, there's potential financial crises, or there's geopolitical risk looming around the corner, which we've had our fair share of in 2025. It can be inflation protection. When inflation rises, gold is often seen as a way of preserving value. It can be a way of portfolio diversification. You can hold real physical assets rather than just seeing numbers on a screen, which could help with barriers to entry for a lot of people. And the fact that there is a limited supply with consistent demand for the stuff. But now let's take a look at why gold may not be the greatest investment. If you hold physical gold, there's no income generation. Unlike your favorite ETFs or stocks, you might not get dividends or no interest, and your return only comes when you actually sell the stuff. The second is that there is quite a lot of volatility with gold. Some people may see it as a safe bet, but holding it for shorter cycles, you can see some real highs and some real lows. And lastly, there's the opportunity cost. Depending on how you may look at the data and your timelines, the S&P has actually beaten gold's return over the last 10 years by around 60%. So as we can see, there really are two sides to the coin. But with gold reaching record highs at the moment, driven by the weakening dollar and the expectation of interest rate cuts, and the fact that the central bank is buying more and more and more of the stuff, then we could still see the price of gold continue to move positively over the next few months and the next few years. But what are your thoughts though? Do you see gold as a good investment and a good asset, or would you rather put your money in something else? Let me know in the comments below.